6 people are now facing charges after a series of violent crimes around Indianapolis. Police shared these pictures of some of the weapons they recovered over this past week. Now, keep in mind, though, these investigations do not share a connection.
But as Fox 59's Jesse Wells explains, police are sharing a common message about them.
The first of the 3 violent crimes took place at this motel behind me here on Shadeland, where police say a robbery involving 3 juvenile suspects quickly turned into a shootout. Police insist technology and community involvement help solve this case, as well as 2 other unrelated crimes this week. Standing outside this Motel 6, a man found himself ambushed and robbed by 3 teens wearing ski masks. Video surveillance reportedly showed the victim and suspects exchange gunfire, leaving 2 of the would-be thieves hit in the arm and leg. This week, police arrested the underage suspects and recovered 5 illegally possessed firearms, one of which is seen in this picture.
We had 3 juveniles who were involved in an armed robbery where 2 of them were shot, and reportedly all 3 had guns. Why are juveniles possessing guns? Where are they getting the guns?
On the other side of town this week, police claim 2 other 18-year-old suspects robbed another man outside this apartment building. Court records claim video surveillance and witness assistance led to the arrests of Edward Brewington and Zairus Ray for that robbery. Police also recovered a handgun and a machine gun conversion device. In a third incident this week, police arrested 37-year-old Aaron Gordy after multiple witnesses told police he fired 5 shots into a door of this home, injuring his own 60-year-old father. The 3 cases each serve as a reminder that police can't solve crimes on their own.
It is a daily fight. Our officers and detectives work diligently every day to identify those people who are possessing illegal firearms or illegally possessed firearms and using them to commit violent crimes. But we can't do it alone. We need the community's cooperation. Finally, the 16-year-old accused of the shooting here at this motel has been charged in adult court. The 2 other juvenile suspects remain in the juvenile system. In the meantime, formal charges have not been filed against the suspects involved in the other 2 incidents. Jesse Wells, Fox 59 News.
All right, Jesse.